Samsung's next big tablet launch is just around the corner. The Galaxy Tab S11 series is expected to make its debut in just about 2 weeks, most likely on the 4th of September at IFA 2025, and leaks have been flooding in left and right. Today though, we've got something big, official renders and pricing details for the United States market. Let's break it down. First up, the design. Just a few days ago, we got a good look at the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra through official images, showing off the device in all its glory. Now, thanks to a new report from the Netherlands, we've got official renders of the regular Galaxy Tab S11 too. At first glance, the front looks very familiar, thin, uniform bezels on all sides, pretty much in line with the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. But flip it over, and that's where things get a little surprising. Instead of the dual camera setup from last year, Samsung has gone with just a single rear camera this time. But that's because Samsung offered the Plus and Ultra models last year, but we're getting the Base and Ultra model this year. Anyway, the ring around the camera seems to have a black finish instead of silver on the previous model. One thing you might notice is the absence of an S Pen holder on the back of both devices. That doesn't mean Samsung is ditching S Pen support completely, it's almost certain the stylus will still be part of the experience. It just looks like Samsung may be rethinking how it's stored or attached. Looking around the edges, the Tab S11 packs 4 speakers, with 2 on each side, a USB-C port, and a microphone. And for colours, the renders confirm at least 2 options, a dark grey and a white finish. Pretty clean, pretty premium. Now let's move into specs before we talk pricing. Both the Galaxy Tab S11 and the Tab S11 Ultra are expected to come powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, which is a huge shift since Samsung usually sticks to Qualcomm. The Tab S11 will offer up to 12GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and an 8400 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. Meanwhile, the Tab S11 Ultra takes things up a notch with a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and a huge 11,600 mAh battery. Both models are also rumoured to carry an IP68 rating, meaning they should survive dust and even a splash of water, something we don't always see on tablets. Now, let's talk about the part everyone's been waiting for: pricing. According to a new leak, the Galaxy Tab S11 will start at $860 in the US for the Wi-Fi only model with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. There will also be higher storage variant, though prices for those models haven't leaked yet. As for the Tab S11 Ultra, things scale up quickly. The 12GB plus 256GB model will cost $1,200. The 12GB plus 512GB jumps to $1,400. And if you want the absolute maxed out beast, 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, you're looking at $1,700. Again, that's just Wi-Fi. So yeah, these tablets aren't cheap, but they're clearly positioned as iPad Pro competitors, and Samsung seems to be going all in on the premium experience. And with just 2 weeks to go before the official launch, you can bet more leaks are going to drop, especially around features we haven't fully seen yet. But what do you think? Are these prices fair for what Samsung is packing into the Tab S11 series, or do you think they're overshooting? Either way, I'll be covering every update and leak as it happens. So if you want to stay up to date with the Galaxy Tab S11 series, the Galaxy S26 series, and all things Samsung, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.